Hey, how you doing? It's Chris Cole here, and today what I want to do is bring you a tutorial on how to build a super looking squeeze page just like the one I've built. You may or may not believe it, but I put this squeeze page up within a couple of minutes, literally a couple of minutes, and you'll notice it's quite different to a lot of the squeeze pages you see online. Now admittedly I am using the theme WordPress, however this will work with any theme, and you should get a pretty good looking squeeze page by using any theme and the free plugins that I am going to show you in this video. There was recently a WSO went out called Lead Rocket, which came with pre-built templates for building squeeze pages, something similar to this, and I'm going to show you a free way to do the exact same without having to buy any plugins whatsoever. So let's head off and show you the plugin that you need, and we'll go off and start building the page to look pretty much exactly like this, and you'll see just how quickly it's done. So now I'm in the dashboard of my website, and this is the plugin here you want to search for. It's WP Backgrounds Lite, and this plugin here will add the image background to the background of your page. Once you install this plugin, activate it, and then you navigate to add new page. And when you're crossing add new page, here you'll see a new section with a drop down where you add your details for the image for that page. What we'll do now is we'll start setting up this page, and we'll see how long it takes me to set this page up. First thing we'll do is we'll give the page a title, so title 1 page. The beauty of WordPress is the fact that you don't actually have to type anything in here to get a great looking squeeze page. They have inbuilt templates, and obviously they have your different options, and in this example this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose one of the inbuilt templates with WordPress. However, it's up to you how you style your own theme, and I'm going to go with the sales style 1. And because it's actually a sales style, we want to come to the sales style section. With it being a squeeze page, I don't want actually any headers shown whatsoever, so I deselect the header and turn that off because I have it turned on by default. Now what we want to do is we want to insert our headline options, and here we have a headline, a pre-headline, a headline and a sub-headline, and I'm going to insert them right now. The first pre-headline I'm going to have is stop right there. I'm going to put it to home font, and that's it. Then the main headline, add that option, paste it in, same font again, Tahoma, change the spelling error, and then we have a sub-headline, activate the sub-headline and paste that in. That's it for the headline options. The next thing that we want to do is we want to set up our opt-in options, and we want to activate the opt-in. And then we want to paste in our autoresponder code. So if we come across their web form, copy that, come back, paste in our autoresponder form. I have chosen not to capture the name and only the email, so I only want to show the email, and paste that there, and enter your best email. The other thing we've got to do is we'll select a button. Get instant access will do, and use selected image, and that's pretty much us ready to look at the squeeze page for the first draft. So if I ask to preview, now you can see the page is starting to take place, and you could leave it there with the background image. In fact, that's what we'll do. So what you want to do now is you want to choose the image that you're going to place in your background, and I've already uploaded one, and it's this image here of the trees, and you need to copy the URL of the image location and then come back to your add new page, and where it asks for background image, paste in the URL of that and preview again. Here you can see the squeeze page is looking pretty effective already, and you probably could leave it at that. You would get quite a good opt-in rate from this page as it is. Now you also have the option of adding in a video, which I had on the previous page, and to do that I've came across to YouTube. I'm going to lift this video here, and we'll actually make the video slightly smaller, so we'll make it 500 by 281. We'll copy that code. Now what we want to do is we'll want to come down to our video options, activate our video, paste in our YouTube code, and as we hit preview, we'll come across and this is the page here. Here you can see the pre-headline, the headline, the sub-headline, the video at whatever size you choose to put, and of course enter your email and get instant access. You see that's a pretty effective squeeze page, and it didn't take me that long to build. The key to it here is actually the plugin that I showed you, and it's that WP Background Light. It's quite a good plugin to be adding for your squeeze pages. If you want to spice them up a bit and change them up a bit, you can do by using this plugin and just literally changing the background image, and it makes it completely different to a lot of other squeeze pages out there. So that's it for this tutorial on building a slightly different squeeze page. You see, it didn't actually take me that long to build this squeeze page, and it's a pretty effective looking page, and I would nearly wager that this page would be converting at least 30% plus on any people hitting the page, obviously provided you enter the right details, and it's worth testing out. I'm going to put this into action myself, and I'm going to be testing out over the next lot of weeks to see just how well the pages convert and what the conversion percentages are with a squeeze page just like this.